your type of report you want, or from your home page, you can click right on the word reports, because everything blue is hyperlinked. So I can just come down here and I can just click right on this word reports right there. That's just going to take me, like I was on those tabs, it's going to take me right to the reports tab. Now, the thing I wanted to note is, remember I told you there's 5 reports and there's 2 that I don't like? The 2 that it defaults to are the ones I don't like. Those 2 I don't use. So to get the other reports, I mouse over reports, and the 3 that I suggest are quick reports, which is a combination of class comprehensive and Newton in one report, or run the Newton or the class comprehensive by themselves. I'm going to run a quick report for the sake of time because it's quick, obviously. I run the quick report. It's going to make my report go, and then I have, if I have multiple classes, the ability to switch between them up here at the drop down. So I can switch between my classes right here, and it'll just refresh my page. And then I have 2 tabs. Assignments, that's coming from that class comprehensive if you run that by itself, or progress, that comes from Newton if you run that one by itself. Newton is in this quick report tied only to standards. If you run the report itself, it also lets you see the connection with the proficiency levels, like you can see here in the key, to DOK, depth of knowledge. So you're missing one aspect when you run the quick report. If you run the Newton, all of it will be in that one report. On the assignments tab, this is the one most people run, and this is where they mostly look. I have on my assignments tab, first of all, an overview for the whole class. This is 001's average for all their assignments, 002, 003, 004. You can see that's their averages. And then I see all the assignments, and I can scroll through them and see everybody's scores. Now, if I want to see one specific assignment, I click on the assignment, and then it gives me an item analysis for each student. So I can see how each student answered each question, but I cannot see the questions themselves unless I choose a student. So I want to go back because I know I'm going fast. On the assignment tab, when I'm just at the whole class, I see the average score for all of the assignments. So like, for example, 007, License to Kill right here, it has a 61% average. That includes all of these scores. So these that they didn't do aren't counted. This 67, this 100, this 71, this 75, that 100, that 71, this 6. Now we can see why it's a 61. And then this 0, meaning they got them all wrong or they turned it in with nothing. If I click one specific assignment though, so like say this PMT right here for lesson 1.1, then I see item analysis for everybody on that assignment. But I can't see the items. I can't see what number 2 was to see how 006 answered it unless I choose that student. So if I click on 006, then I can go in and I can click on the items and I can see the item itself, the question. This was a kindergarten. I can see the correct response, and if I scroll down, I can see what they chose. Then I can close it, and I can go to another question. See the question, the correct response, and what they chose. All right, wow, that time just flew. So, plethora of information, very short amount of time. I understand it was fast, and I apologize for that, but I'm gonna put my email in the chat again because I want you guys to know